Tang hadin shteo tam kejingwan jong menteri kena Sarkar Pedang wadi kemi yakatnat Jal Shakti u Dr. Raj Bhushan Chaudhuri Mawkyrwat. Sahagalai terek unai luar pat arajar arpusau sau menteri bedai pej yakatnat culture bakatnat jengok kai pertai ke Sarkar Pedang u Gagendra Shekhawat ulawan jengok ke Mawkyrwat haga district Southwest Khasi Hills. Badakan ni kesengiu menteri relit jengok ke jaka jengok kai beper ki bapau hagathan Mawkyrwat bagentup ke hot spring hajakram ki maubna maurudok Hamaulang ka senrang mauren hamautan bat ka mauranglang viewpoint. Uniu menteri ke Sarkar Pedang hadian kejingwan jengok ikini kejaka walaupun longru ya kejingelang kemi ikam bat ke officer ni ketnat Sarkar beper haga district circuit house Mawkyrwat. Habakran ni gelat patai kubur hadian balawai kejingelang ha senrang mauren kabadan hamautan. U Gagendra Shekhawat ulapan pawe ke jing snow tenat ke jeng u bat ke jing yap bet ke jeng u ya ke jingitynnad Mei Mariang hakathan Mawkyrwat. Ulaong ba ke Jylla Meghalaya kadai ke wen ke Jylla kathan stelam mini kabadan ke jing kermen ke bakrau ban kiau nakikam jengok kai perthai. Ban kaliang jeng u ulawer ya kinong jengok kai perthai ki bampat jupai ha Meghalaya baginwan ban saki dala dia ya ke jingitynnad jong Mei Mariang hakane ke Jylla. Ulang shosho bagajeng penroi ya kakam jengok kai perthai. Kadai ban nang kiau na ko bagi sni Shekhawat pat ha ke Jylla. Bar wuong bakani kala ban kentiau ya kayo kokot bat ke jinglong jingman jingbhabriew. Bat kani kala ban long ke jingkermen pat bat kan long kadang penyat ya kikam kayo kokot ha ke Jylla kathan stelam ini.
At a very scenic and beautiful tourist spot developed by the state government. We came here to Shillong to sit with all the ministers and officials of the northeastern states to understand and further develop the tourism potential of the northeastern states. We all are aware that our beloved nation under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is marching towards becoming a developed nation by 2047. Our economy is continuously growing with the fastest speed in the larger economies of the world. And the potential of tourism is increasing day by day, month by month, and year on year. And when I say the increasing potential of tourism in our country, the maximum of the potential or the share of the tourism is inevitably to be gone to the northeastern states and especially the Meghalaya state. And heritage, beautiful locations, beautiful weather, and the development of tourism is going to bring a big change in the life of the local communities. Their economic wealth will rise, their living conditions will be changed, and I wish that in coming future, the tourism will become the driver of the economy of these northeastern states. I wish everybody a very good success and a beautiful life ahead. And once again, I would like to thank all the artists who have performed with the beautiful song and the dances and the music here at this scenic, beautiful place. Government of India, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji, is committed to develop these northeastern states and the potential of the tourism in these beautiful states.